took the long way around. Look at all we found, and we live it up now. Yeah, we've come so far, made us who we are, and we live it up now.
Righto, so one of the problems you have when you're free camping is water. We used to go out during the day, come back with two 20-litre tanks or two 20-litre jerrys, and for me, I'm 60 years old, tipping them up into the tanks is really hard, so we come up with this bladder system. It's not unique, but this is what we do. We've got a 100-litre, it's for drinking water tank, bladder, with a hose on it, hose coupling for when we go out and fill it up. It's really good because you can sit it behind the driver's seat and passenger seat, and in between the two sets of seats it sits perfectly. It's really good. Even if you've got kids, they can just put their feet on it. It's, you know, no biggie. Yeah,
anybody really can put their feet on it.
that's right, yeah, it's not that hard. So I'll also show you how we transfer the water into the tanks of the caravan. So during the build, we got the guys at Traveller to put this tap system in at the back of the caravan, which is hooked up to one of the tanks and another pump. We've got a third pump that's inside the caravan, inside one of the cupboards. And all we do is hook the bladder up to this, turn the tap on and turn the pump on from here, and it takes about 3 minutes for 100 litres. So it's pretty good and doesn't suck up much power to bring it into the caravan. So we do that maybe, you know, like if we're going around and we find a water spot, we'll probably do it a couple of times a week, and gives the wife plenty of water to have her nice showers and do her hair and makeup and all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty good. So this is the bladder that's inside the car in the back seat, and it's empty at the moment, but we're going to be filling it up, so we'll show you it full as well. And even when we're away from the van and we're just using the car, because we have a rooftop tent and we're all set up for camping without the caravan, this is our water system. We can use that for hot water. We've got a hot water system as well, so we can use it for showers, for drinking, for everything. Yeah, so we're here filling up the bladder, which isn't that hard. Always carry a long hose, and this is the wrong one. Maybe. Hopefully it fits this. Yep. Just turn it on. Turn this on, and it's filling up. Once it's full, yep. Once it's full, we've even got a little organiser that we sit on top of it, and it just floats up with the bladder and sits in the back seat still, and yeah, it's not in the way. Oh, so now we're nearly full, and that's what it does. It takes up that space in the back seat. Kids can put their feet on it, it's not a problem. So I'll just turn it off. And that took all of, what, how long? 2 minutes? Most importantly, don't forget the tap fitting, because I always do. I think Bunnings loves me for that sort of stuff, but you know. So we're back from filling up the bladder, and we just back up to the van. Whoop. Plug it in, turn on the water flow, turn the pump on, and that's it. Pretty easy, not too hard. So that's it for the bladder and the water. This is how we do it. Pretty easy. So in total, we've got 100 litres in the bladder, 40 litres in Jerry's on the back of the caravan. We've got 295s and a 65 of drinking water. So total 385 litres all up. So yeah, so we never run out of water. It's pretty hard. And yeah, if you've got any comments or if you need to know any more information, put it in the comments and or get in contact with us and we'll get back to you. Thanks.